Hello and welcome to the class of Python programming again. In today's video we are going to discuss about Python sets. So as all of you must be aware of, set is a collection which is unordered and unindexed. No duplicate members. So this is what the definition I have read. So once we said no duplicate members, that means the members will be unique in case of set. Now the first we should know about declaring or creating sets. Okay. Now let's say S is my set. So in case of list we have used square braces. In case of our tuple we have used round braces. So now we are left out with curly braces only, and I'm sure you must be aware of that in mathematics also we use curly braces to define sets. So inside the sets, if I write 12, 34, 45, I'm just taking the integer values as of now for the example, but we can have different data elements as well. Now let's say 70 is here. Okay, so this is how I have declared a set, and now if I want to print the set, okay, let's do it. Let's see what will be the outcome of this. Okay, now you can see over there that we have declared the set in the order 12, 34, 56, 70, and the items have been reshuffled somewhere, right? So let's check it again. The same set we are going to print, and let's see now what is happening over here. Fine. So once the set is declared, and if we do not have any other operation on that, the set is reshuffled or arranged in any manner, and whenever you try to access the particular set, you will get the same output, right? But again, you are not sure about it. If I execute this previous same cell again, what will happen in this case? Let's check it out. If I am refreshing the same content, the contents are not being modified, though I am initializing the set again and again, creating the set again and again. So how it does happen, because set stores the things in such a manner, it actually work over hash values. So this is its manner. Now it is unordered and unindexed. So because we are aware that I try to declare in this order, but the order has been changed, so I cannot access any element of set by using index values. Okay, so remember this, that we cannot access any element by index. Why? Because there is no indexing present over here. In any order you declare, in any order you can get the output, right? Now because we have yet talked about two properties, right? Unordered and unindexed, and no duplicate members. Now in the above example I didn't try to do so. Let's create another set with, let's say 12, 12, 12, 45, 56, 56. Fine. So how many elements we have added? 3 and 3, 6, out of which some of them are repeating, right? So now I'm going to print this set. Let's see what's going to happen. So it only come up as a result with 3 elements, because the rest were repetition of some of the existing elements in the set, right? So another thing that we came across, that is set contains unique values or unique elements, right? Now, this is only the part of declaration and indexing. Because the index is not there, we cannot access the element, but we can add certain elements to the existing set. Okay, so let's say I try to add. Now with dot you can access the methods which can be applicable to the to any collection data type, as we have done in list in case of tuple as well. These are the list of built-in functions or methods we call, which are applicable. So we are going to start with a small one, and inside this add you can add, let's say, 89. Okay, and then I want to print my set. Fine, so we have successfully added 89. Now remember one thing, that here we are only adding one element, right? Now try to, if you want to add more elements to the set, so what we are going to do in that case is one dot update, and this update method we are going to go with a number of elements, let's say 33, 44, 55, 66. Okay, and I'm going to print our set again to check out. Fine, I hope 4 elements we have added. Earlier it were 4, so we have added 4 more, so we are now having, right? We can have the length function also works over here in set. Print length of S1. I suppose it should work. So it is 8. Now we have 8 elements. So the idea is that with any collection data type, you just press dot and you'll pop up with a list of built-in methods or functions which are applicable, right? So you can utilize all these things by yourself, right? Now here are a couple of questions for you. After watching the video, I have already given you the things, you can mention it. Yeah, question number 1, how to remove elements from set. This is the first question which you are going to answer me after watching the video, and then where to use set collection data type. Okay, so you have to just think carefully after watching the video. Removing the element from the set, that can be done. I think I have already shown the methods. Now where to use set collection data type, this you have to think after carefully watching all the methods which are applicable, and what different properties set holds and how it is different from other collection data type. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.